Hi everyone, this is Amin, and in this video I'm going to show to you how you can turn the SSID on and off with Raspberry Pi Pico W. What we want here, we need the Raspberry Pi Pico W or ESP32 or 8266. A module, a microcontroller that can connect to the internet. We will have it there, then we will connect to the internet. We try to do the GET request from Mist AI website. We see the situation, the current situation, and change it from true to false or from false to true. The idea is that, let's say we're having like a school or college or something, and during the class time we do not want any SSID broadcasting because it would be distracting for the students. For that reason, this combination that I'm going to show it to you will be useful. What it has, so we have a push button here. Every time that we want to change the state, just pressing this, 3 LEDs to show the states. First one is for the time that SSID is on, SSID is off, and for every change request, which means just pressing this button. And every time that we're pressing, maybe this one also, in case LED, I don't know, it like doesn't work, like a malfunction LED, we have a buzzer here, so it buzzes for us. And the LCD to monitor the previous and current state. Then what is the idea? Just have a GET request and work. Let me put this one aside and bring the other one, which is the code. What the code has. We have machine, we have the PWM, so it's for the buzzer, I2C for LCD. Then this one, Pico, again for the LCD, uRequest. We should download this one. How we do it? In Funny, if you click on that and then click on manage your package, my Raspberry Pi is off. This is why actually this option is grayed out. But you click on manage your package and then you install, just search uRequest and then you install it. It brings it up for you. Let's go down. What do we have here? Network for connecting to the internet, time for sleep, and JSON, because the output of our GET request will be a JSON file. You need your token. You already, I guess you know how to get it from Mist AI, and if you don't know, just use the Mist AI tutorial, and it talks about API and everything, so you'll be good after that. This is the link that you want. The link for GET requests and PUT requests are different. So again, it has your organization ID. This is what you need, and the SSID that you want to change or do everything, get the information about, that is this one. So I have 2 different payload, one for false, one for true. Header payload is empty like that here. Then next step, so initial things related to a GET request, HTTP request, I would say. Then Wi-Fi connection. We need Wi-Fi connection. These 3 lines, if you're following along, you know how you can do this. I have a video and I explain how you can connect to the internet. This is the next one, connect to the internet. Then Raspberry Pi pins. We do need to set Raspberry Pi pins for the push button, for the LEDs, so blue, red, and green LED. Then the buzzer, finally LCD. LCD is I2C, we set I2C character. Again, I have a video, I explain what are these. This is the LCD address, and what is this pin and this and that row, and also these special characters of the LCD. Then let's go to the functions. The first function is for the SSID state. So when SSID is on, I want the green one on and red one off. When SSID is off, so green is off and red is on. Then I made it something like that because when you run the script, in fact, we know whenever we want to connect to something, connect to the internet, we do need a little delay, like authentication, prop request, and those things, they take time. So what I did, I made these like colors, LEDs on, off, and delays. So in this way, I kind of bought the time for the processing. It wouldn't be like kind of boring for the users looking at what's going on. So at least you can see the LEDs like lighting on and off. Then after that, what do we have here? So print on the LCD, the other function that we're going to use it a lot, print the character. This is where we do the Mist get and put request. Finally, the program is going to start. Initially, we're going to start it, then LED welcome, dances of the colors. It checks the IP address and it gives the IP address. Then it goes to this while, like forever while loop, and it checks the state and prints out the situation. How it works, let me plug it. There is no need to check it with Thonny. Why? Because I already saved the file as main.py. It will be on, it gets connected to the internet, and it does what it has to do. And so first step, it is on right now. See, starting LEDs. It is the time that it's checking to get connected to the internet, and all good. So now the device is connected to the internet. We have the internet. What we are supposed to do, just clicking on this push button, let me press it, and you'll see the blue LED, it lights up, and also a buzz sound. Okay, then we can see here it's a change request. So the current state of the system is Wi-Fi is on, waiting up. It is waiting for that. And okay, the current state is off. If I bring this page here, you can see this is the SSID that I got connected to that. Then this is the SSID that I made it off. If I retry, let me do it again and see what will happen. Okay, a change request. We should be waiting for the next check. It is, whenever you try, it checks the current. It is off, wait up, changing, it is changing. And as soon as it says it is on, or we can see the green, okay, let's refresh this page. And there you go. So this one is working right now. Okay, it was the idea, the coding and everything. It took a little while, but hopefully it is working pretty well. And I hope you enjoyed. I put the link in my GitHub account. Feel free to reach out if you have any question, and I hope you find it useful and you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch more videos on Raspberry Pi and microcontrollers. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye. Take care.